just listening. We gonna start off with setting up GJ. I got on a little late because I wanted to get everything right. I need more music to vibe to. So we learned yesterday from streaming the first time that I need better internet connection. So I'm gonna order a new Wi-Fi extender or something. That's the best I got. We gonna start off at the week. Get right what this week has been doing. Today is Thursday, January the 5th. So we went down and then now we're retracting on GJ. So can't be that bad. Alright, so keeping in mind that we are in a nice weekly uptrend, very wicked week. So we're going to see big moves. We could see this go all the way back up to the top here. And if we see that, we're definitely going to be expecting that. But we got to wait for the week to end to understand this candle. Understand if we want to come back down or we're going to revisit the top for a pullback. So the daily, what is the daily looking like? Alright, so the daily, the current daily from after yesterday, we had this big bullish momentum going up on yesterday's candle. It's crazy because I actually seen those buys before they happened, and as they happened, it had happened already during London session. So I seen this big candle. I could have got in about 8 o'clock, but it was pushing towards my time to go. So I was like, yeah, I'll just wait. Safe money is better than making no money. Simple as that. Like I was saying, simple money, well, secure money is better than making no money at all. So current daily candle is bearish so far. Look like it's setting up for a pullback to go to the top side. So this current 4 hour is right now pushing bearish, but the fact that we've seen this long wick right here, I mean not wick, this long candle right here of approximately 233 pips on GJ. After moving like that, we're probably gonna consolidate a little bit. But you never know. You never know. So with that never know, I'm just gonna set up like a ordinary day. I'm gonna put my 4-hour line right here. Let me know if we go bullish. This is the point in time where I want to understand this is the top of the previous 4-hour. Next, I'm going to go down one level to the 1 hour and mark up my zones. I do my zones on the 1 hour, not only because that's the way I was taught, but because it's more beneficial for the intraday trader. So I'm trying to figure out why that says that when it's supposed to say zones. Yep, exactly. So we see the support within the support, so we're gonna mark that support up. When I say support within the support, I'm just meaning like we broke structure right here. So our next one, our next zone will be this actually, if we're going down. That's guaranteed money. And right there is actually imbalance. So make sure we get in there really tight. Clone. I wonder how much this is actually. How many pips is that? None. Huh. Pips, not too bad though. And if we go down, we have a clean range going to the downside. So I'll be comfortable taking my setup on the down. But keep in mind, the market gives you what you need. You can't tell the market, hey, this is what I deserve. By all means, you can't tell the market this is what you deserve, because it's gonna go the total opposite way. So now we on the 30-minute. What do we see? Got our zones marked up. If we go up, what we're gonna get? Let's actually check out some news, see if we have any upcoming news today. Should have did that like on Sunday, but we're getting new to this. We're gonna understand. We're definitely going to understand. Today we got ADP 9 farm employment change at 8:15. So that's probably what, about 7:15 my time. I hope the numbers, either one of those. I hate when it does this, when it shows EST time, but okay, yeah, it's showing EST time. We can see in the top right corner up here. It says 6:50 a.m. So about 7:15 is when we're gonna get what we need. Make sure our zones are nice and defined. so we can get our best entry. All these imbalances, they look so beautiful. Which one should I take, A, B, or C? I suggest B first because that is the mid average. Yeah, I hope everyone is having a great morning so far. This is 30 minutes actually, so I'm going to wait on that. Let's go down to the 15, see if we have anything that's different. Not too much different, and that's 30 minutes is actually pretty clean. So I'm going to go ahead and mark that 30 minute up. Template 30 minute. See, this will go by so this will take so long if I didn't have templates. All right, so we got GJ marked up. Broker up. Alright, so while we're waiting on our broker to open up, we're gonna be go ahead and taking a look at what there goes right there. So let's go ahead and set up GJ up on our broker. Okay, I was sure gonna say update. So let's go ahead and get rid of everything from the old times. Yep, looking good. We looking good. So if it goes up, I'm not gonna be taking anything because this is not a solid like trend. Well, not trend, but golly, what is the word I'm looking for? Nice solid zone. Well, it's like I know what I'm looking for, but I don't know for real. That's crazy. Alright, so silver, there we go. And turn my fill on. Yep. So that's good. What am I doing? Yeah, I'm moving this up because you want guaranteed money. Guaranteed money is definitely the go-to when it comes to things like this. So go ahead and be safe, because safe means you're going to get your money. You know what I'm saying? If we coming to where we just moved our zone from, that could be our final. But as far as guaranteed money, we want that guaranteed money, so we're gonna definitely hit that up. We know that that's a zone that it could possibly take after it hit our R&B field, or it could just hit our R&B field and just was in reverse. You know what I'm saying? Go back to break even. But I'd rather make some money than make no money. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up on my broker. Let's put that there. Let's change the color from blue to gray because this is an imbalance. That's okay. Yeah, I know you guys can't see my broker. It's okay though. My broker's my broker. Focus on your own. So, okay. Looking good. We looking good. Now let's go ahead and see what gold talking about. If we can get something out of gold on this lovely morning. New hour candle is about to come up in about 2 minutes, a minute and a half actually. So gold on the instance is actually in a nice little range as well. Currently moving up on that range. Getting very wicked out along the way. If you see that, currently getting wicked out along the way. Does that matter though? No, it doesn't, because that's the weekly and we trade on the 15-minute. So the current daily candle is diminishing. It's going down, and we understand that. So anything to the left, oh yeah, a lot of things to the left. You see all of this BS right here. We love it, don't we? I don't know. Do we really love it? If we go up, it's more wicked out, but it's a better wicked out, which means we can catch, you know what I'm saying, something. So what gold is probably doing, being that we have all this rejection right here. Good morning, 6 o'clock. Yeah, been up for an hour and a half now. Feels good. So I've been up for an hour and a half now. That's good. Now we're gonna go to the 4 hour. So high chance of reversal in this area for the daily. So we're gonna look at possible sales, but we don't want to be that trader that it could happen this week, it could happen next week. We got to keep that in mind. It's not just gonna happen today. Happen whenever. Yep, can happen whenever. So the previous 4 hour is bearish as long as the 4 hour that we're going on. So we like them 4 hour lines, and we're gonna put it right there just so we know, hey, this is the point where our last 4 hour existed, the lowest point of our last 4 hour. As a matter of fact, now that I think about it, I'm actually gonna go back to GJ new hour just happened, but I'm gonna go back to GJ and place my session highs and lows because that helps me for what reality is. So we're gonna go ahead and put okay. So we really technically actually don't need them, which is a blessing because we technically have them graphed up. Our session high for our session high for the gosh, taking me this morning. I'm tired, man. Sheesh. Can't think of nothing. That's just session high for London was the same as our 4-hour line, and our session low for London and Asia session is on our zone actually. And we're coming through. Alright, so we're coming through with this hour. What we like to do on the hour, we like to build our zones. Zones. Yes. You got to love them. Oh. Alright, so this is the previous swing high on a zone. We're gonna clone this. We're gonna place this right here on the hour. I know that it's not gonna be our final zone because we're actually working around it right now. We're gonna clone this. We're gonna come down. Now we're gonna get that next one. And we're gonna slide up on this jump right here. We're gonna slide it right there. So we're gonna measure these out because it's good to always measure your zones. So I've been taught. Okay, 32, not bad. And this one, well, obviously it's not gonna be from right there. This one is roughly 75. What do we want? We definitely want that 75. Why not? More is better, right? Now, are we gonna get that 75? That's depending on what the market beholds. If the market like us today, we gonna get it. So I just want to point out right here, we actually have a block. So it's probably not a chance that we're going to, you know what I'm saying, push past this. But like I said, you never know. You never know. So we got this 30-minute imbalance right here. So I really don't actually see us going up. But if we do, we're not gonna take anything. And it's crazy because our bias is the same on GJ. I'm going to go ahead and actually mark up this imbalance right here, because that's like a midpoint halfway through, something that we can partially get more profits from. Imbalance right here on the 15-minute. So I'm really not liking how it's looking up here. I like how it's looking down here. Keep in mind that we are in this little range right here. So after that range is, you know what I'm saying, basically good skies. If we get down to here, could be 32 or 80, yeah. But say we don't get down there, that's a good 35. And it's really not even 35, so I'm just gonna leave it alone. If it closes above, it just closed above. I'm really not liking how it's looking right there. Can't see that, but just know what's going on. Alright, so we got the we need thief. Yep. Now keep in mind this zone that we have marked up right in this area, that's not the final zone, because there is something lower than this actually. So that could be a possible take profit target too. But for right now, we want guaranteed money. Guaranteed money is gonna get us in a dough. Guaranteed money saying, hey, you're guaranteed to make this much amount of money. And that's what I like. Now, I'm not the best trader. I still have some kinks to work out. Yeah. Oh, 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 oh. All right. All right, so we got it good, both set up on our broker. We're gonna take another look at GJ. All right, GJ still rocking with us, still in that same. So London high is right here. London low is right here. Okay, so we're gonna leave London low alone because same place as this 4-hour low. Asia highs is all the way up here. So even though I said that I don't want to take anything, any buys, anything, they still have to get to Asia highs. Well, they don't have to get to Asia highs, but horrible for it to get to Asia highs. And Asia lows is just about the place that London highs is, so we just gonna leave that alone. Check out our bank zones. Anything on our bank zones? Okay. Period right now. It's okay though. Yep, it's definitely okay though. Yep. So generally, the idea of having two biases is so you can catch either one. You don't want to be one-sided, very one-sided, because if you're very one-sided, you're gonna miss a lot of opportunities. So that's why I have two sides. I took out this on gold is because of how much rejection we actually have to get through. I took that into account, and now don't get me wrong, it could just, when the news come, it could just push straight through that. You know what I'm saying? So I personally don't trade news, and I see order blocks here. If you know what an order block is when a bunch of traders are buying or selling at that point, and you can't get by. Everybody's doing one thing. You can't get by. The buyers want to get by, but they're losing money because the sellers are waiting. They're waiting on them, and we don't want to be like that. So we just make it to the point where it's nice, really nice. Now, don't get me wrong. If we do trade, if we end up trading above this, I still have, it's still there. My target is, and when I take profit, it's going to be zone by zone. So I'll take profit at, let's get our take profit icon. So I'll take profit at this zone. Not too far away. I'm probably not going to take profit there, but I'll take profit at this zone. Then my last take profit is definitely going to, well, it's not really weakness on a high time frame. It's a weakness, but it's like, hey, I could go right here. You know what I'm saying? I could, but why would I waste my time when I can come back tomorrow? I'll come back tomorrow. See, like this could happen in a day. This could happen in 5 minutes. This could happen in 15 minutes. This. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out how to, like, because I feel like it happens every time I lag. So every single time I lag, it's like pushing it out, and it just want to stop, and I don't have time for it. But you know what I'm saying? It's happening. It's definitely happening. I can't be mad about it because I'm the one that's out here trying to live stream on freaking a small like computer where the CPU is very small. The RAM is only 16 gigs. What else? The internet's far away, but hey, it doesn't matter. This is what I like to do for right now. Well, it's not right now. I like to trade, and I want to see progress in my life. So how else are you going to see progress if you don't progress? See, right now the stream could be bad, but later down the line, the stream could be A1, and we get better and we get better and we get better. That's what we look forward to. We look forward to getting better and getting better and getting better. It's really normal to get better, just as long as you keep trying. Because when you quit, you can't get better. You can't get better at nothing if you quit. So I'm actually going to read a piece of, or a couple chapters of this book. Naked Forex is what I'm reading. Check up on GJ again. Obviously it's not doing anything. We got about 2 minutes and 16 seconds until the next 15-minute candle is formed. Right now we don't have any value in the market, none whatsoever, and we didn't have any value at Asia session either. I just want to give you something. Alright, so The last kiss. To me, there is no greater act of courage than being the one who kisses first. By JACCEN Garofalo. I hope I butchered her name. I really do hope I did. It's okay if I didn't though. All the naked trading strategies in this book have 3 parts. The first is to identify the support and resistance zone. The second is to wait for the market to reach one of these zones. And the third is to take a trade once a catalyst prints on one of these zones. So now I'm thinking, hey, what is a catalyst? I'm pretty sure they're going to tell me though. You now understand how to find the zones on the chart. Indeed I do. You are ready to learn about catalysts. Catalysts are powerful price patterns. These simple price patterns suggest what the market may do once the market reaches a zone. So instead of it being as, hey, when this happens, well, instead of when there's no zone and you see a pattern, we're looking for a pattern, which is called a catalyst. When a zone happens, when we're at a zone or near a zone, at least we could be even a little in the zone, because in the last chapter we learned about zones being a beer belly. We can go into the beer belly and then slide right back out like ain't nothing happened. So, all right, these catalysts are only useful when they print on a zone. Catalysts are not located on a zone, are simply interesting price formations. Exactly what I just said. They are not high probability trade setups. A very simple and extremely powerful catalyst is the last kiss trade. If you have been trading for some time, you have probably seen enough markets to know that there are 2 basic moves of the market, and these moves will be seen in any market in the world. There is the calm, drifting, directionless, choppy. Okay, calm is like when it's going just straight up, I guess. Drifting is when it's consolidating at long ranges, I guess. Directionless is just straight consolidation. Choppy market, we don't even want to trade during the choppy market. So right now we in a consolidation, which is directionless. It's not choppy. It's not. I mean, it's just. It's alright. It ain't bad. It ain't horrible. Yeah, it's alright. So, at times, the market would also exhibit strong, powerful explosion characteristics of the trend market, as can be seen in figure 5.2. The market is always in one of these 2 moods. So that's what we actually aim for, the powerful moves. Something that's going to happen quick, not too many hours, or at least, like, you know what I'm saying, no more than an hour to 45 minutes. I'm tripping. 15 minutes to an hour. I'm not trying to be in the trade longer than really 30 minutes for real. But if it tends to happen, well, I'm not trying to be in a fight with a trade for more than 30 minutes. If it don't happen within the first 30 minutes of a big explosion to my zone, 9 times out of 10 is probably going to retract and hit my stop loss. So if I notice that, I'm the type of person, as soon as it go in profit, I'm going to, hey, it's not my time yet, and I'm going to put my stops at break even. 10 pips in, you know what I'm saying, I just might go ahead and just be like, all right, cool, this a dud, it's all good, set them up for next time. So another EUR USD 4-hour chart. Here the market is consistently moving upward in a strong trending phase. Okay. Continually, the market moves between these two states, the hyperactive trend market and the relaxed drifting market. So the relaxed drifting market is you know what I'm saying, sideways trading, also known as consolidation to most traders. Just as there are low tides and high tides, hot days and cool days, the market also projects days of laziness and days of overwhelming activity. Traders take advantage of these two moods in the market. The EUR USD 4-hour chart transitioning between a directionalist drifting mood to a strong trending phase. So in this well, of course I can't show you guys, but in this, it was a choppy market. It broke the zone. Two candles happened. Okay, this is my red box strategy. It broke the zone, pulled back two candles. On that third candle, it shot down, when it shot down, it became a trending market. Now, in mine, I actually have it, I can only take it on one of the two candles that's after. So what about the third candle? Should I make room for the third candle or continue following my strategy? So that's when backtesting happens. And when you backtest, you find all the answers that you need. So maybe I should backtest that this Saturday. Should it be the first two candles, or should I leave some room for the third candle? Hey, if it don't happen on this third candle, then it's over with. You get me? Because keep in mind, they talking about the 4-hour, but I'm talking about the 15-minute. The 15-minute, it could jump straight down, or it can two candles and then go straight down, or it can two candles and you don't get the move. It's still in the consolidation period. So we definitely gonna look at that this Saturday. I don't record. I mean, I record my backtesting days, but I'm not too much of live streaming on the backtesting day, because backtesting day is more of thought process. But I definitely upload it. Why not? It's passive income. Most trading systems will take advantage of either the choppy market or the strong trending market. This means that most trading systems will perform exceptionally well during either the choppy market or a trending market, but never in both types of market moods. For example, if you decide to trade the trendy kangaroo tail, that is a doji candle, not doji, with a long wick, like this candle right here is actually, you know what I'm saying, the candle that they talking about. You see how this candle is very long. This is a kangaroo tail candle. This candle right here, just in case you don't see the circle. It's a long kangaroo tail. I actually have a different name from them. If you read the Candlestick Bible, that's the name that I go by. But it's better if, you know, you get this and then it closes the other way. That's a strong reversal candle when it closes the other way. Okay, so let's check on gold real quick. I assume it hasn't made anything. We're pushing up on that 7 o'clock hour. If you don't know, 7 o'clock is Central Time Frames New York Stock Exchange open, and we typically get some volume during that time. It's okay if we don't, though. It's definitely okay. So Most trading systems will take advantage of either the choppy market or the strong trending market. This means that most trading systems will perform exceptionally well during either the choppy market or a trending market, but never in both types of market moods. For example, if you decide to trade the trendy kangaroo tail, but instead of waiting for a strong trend, you decide to apply the trendy kangaroo tail to a directionalist market, you may find that the trendy kangaroo tail does not offer the type of profit potential you are looking for in a trading system. Okay, so like as you see, I just pointed out the trendy kangaroo tail that they're talking about right here. And yeah, it happened. Yeah, strong reversal. But the reverse didn't happen to all the way over here. Soon, if we drew a box around that and we noticed that it closed below this, that's when we've been like, hey, let's pay attention to this. It closed about my zone. First candle came, slid up. Second candle went down. I'd have got in at the break of the second candle. Well, the first candle, the break of the first candle. Okay? Because now I have opportunity for success. And when we look here, it hit this imbalance. Small little teeny tiny imbalance. It hit it though. Profits made. Break even. Got 60%, 65% off. The rest can go down here, which I'm actually waiting on. Or it can stop me out. And what did it do? It stopped me out. I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. Why? Because I made profit. It's all about what you make. It's all about what you make. Okay. The trendy kangaroo tail is a naked trading setup for a trending market. Oh. Okay. So that's not what they're talking about actually. This is simply because the trendy kangaroo tail system is designed to take advantage of a strong trending market. Applying the system to a directionalist choppy market that isn't interested in going anywhere will likely lead to undesirable results. This simple fact means that you must keep in mind which type of market your chosen trading system is designed to work well in, and try to restrict the application of your chosen trading system to only this type of market. Facts. Yeah, I definitely gotta add some more. All right, GJ ain't doing nothing. Gold still consolidating. Know what's up. Nice bright morning. You gotta wake up, see the light come outside. That's how you know it's gonna be a successful day. That's how you know the day is already successful. You woke up before it even got light outside. Congratulations. Alright, trading system is only type of market. There is, however, one age-old strategy that works on the price precipice of the transition from the choppy directionless market to the strong trending market. Age-old strategy that works on the price precipice. I don't even know how to say this word. Precipice. Let's actually do the lookup thing. We're gonna search the web. Precipice. Okay. Of the transition from the choppy directionless market to the strong trending market. This is the breakout strategy. This trading strategy is extremely common. There are many versions of the breakout strategy. Everybody have their own version. What is a breakout trade? The breakout strategy involves two phases. The first phase involves waiting for the market to consolidate. A consolidated market becomes very choppy and directionless. The trader waits and watches the market. The breakout trader is a patient trader. You gotta have patience. This strategy is largely based on patience and timing. Perhaps you have traded a version of the breakout trade in the past. There are many versions of this trading setup, so you might know the drill. You wait and watch the market when it is calm. You are waiting when the market is trading within a tight range. Then eventually the market breaks out and extends beyond the restricted range and rockets off in one direction for a strong, sustained trending move. This is what we love to see. This is where the well-placed entry will capture a quick profit at the very least. This may even afford an early entry into a strong, sustained trend. Love it. Got to love to see it. You got to love to see it, my boy. You got to love to see it. So beautiful. So beautiful. I just love watching it happen. Like I said, it's so beautiful. And it's so crazy, man. I actually don't well, I've only been trading for a year, and EJ is just like something I haven't looked in. You know what I'm saying? I only been looking in what I've been taught. So that's GJ and gold. As I progress in trading, I actually do look to expand. Definitely do look to expand. Who doesn't love looking want to expand? So, continuing with this book. The first, wait. Okay. All right. What is a breakout trade? The breakout strategy involves two phases. The first phase involves waiting for the market to consolidate. A consolidated market becomes very choppy and directionless. The trader waits and watches the market. The breakout trader is a patient trader. This strategy is largely based on patience and timing. Perhaps you have traded a version of the breakout trade in the past. There are many versions of this trading setup, so you might know the drill. You wait and watch the market when it is calm. You are waiting when the market is trading within a tight range. Then eventually the market breaks out and extends beyond the restricted range and rockets off to one direction for a strong, sustained trending move. This is where the well-placed entry will capture a quick profit at the very least. It may even afford an early entry into a strong, sustained trend. Identifying the transition. Right now I'm looking at gold because it's actually getting to my zone. You know, whatever it depends on doing at this zone will only determine what's going to happen. But I'm definitely looking forward to what's going to happen. GJ on the other hand is really a slow grind right now, but It's gonna happen one of these days. Like you said, man, EJ is a better trade, and if it's following your trading setup, trading strategy, take it. It's free money. So this is what I'm looking like on GJ. Bet that up. All right. Breakout trader, you take advantage of the natural rhythm of the market, and in particular the transition between the boring restricted movement of the range bound market and the fierce strong moves of the trending market. When will you know that the market is changing? How do you determine that the consolidation period is over? Will the market offer a clue when it is about to move into a trending phase? Is it possible to determine when the market ends the directionalist phase and begins the strong trending phase? The answer is yes. You will use your old friend, the support and resistance zone. The support and resistance zone will be the threshold by which you judge the movement of the market once again. So we look like we rejecting that zone once again for the third time. I'm definitely looking for a closure outside of that zone for a nice little sell or big sell, but you know, you get what you get out the market. The support and resistance zone will be a threshold by which you judge the movement of the market once again. This time, the support and resistance zone will mark the line on the sand for the naked version of the breakout trade, the last kiss trade. The first step of the last kiss trade is to identify. So the last kiss trade is basically the liquidity. It's like, hey, we've already rejected this area, but I'm gonna fake you out, thinking that we gonna go bullish, and we just gonna go bullish for this couple 5 minutes, or for about 5 minutes, and then we gonna strongly go the other way real quick. See, this is why you gotta pay attention. You got to pay attention. The first step of the last kiss trade is to identify the consolidation zone. One way to visualize a consolidation zone is to draw a box on the chart. This box will contain the choppy movement of the directionalist market. This box should encompass the market movement during the choppy drifting market phase. It's so crazy because this is my first time reading this book, and I already do a lot of stuff that it's talking about. This box on the USD/JPY 4-hour chart may be used to contain the price action in the market during the drifting market phase. The important thing to remember here is that the box, which contains the market activity, is formed by both a support zone and a resistance zone. This box of the market activity should pop out on the chart. It should be obvious that the market is stuck between both of the zones. Typically, there will be several touches on either side of the zone. In figure 5.5, we see there are 3 touches at the top of the box and 2 touches at the bottom of the box. The market found resistance and the market found support. The consolidation zone should be very obvious. Notice how the market bounced off of the support zone and resistance zone several times on the 4-hour. USD/JPY chart, twice the market finds support at the bottom of the box and 3 times the market finds resistance at the top of the box. The consolidation phase inside of the box may continue for some time. However, once the market breaks out towards either the support zone or the resistance zone, the last kiss trader takes notice. For many breakout traders, the move outside of the consolidation box will trigger a trade. However, the last kiss trade is not triggering at this stage. So after the breakout happens, the last kiss trader basically is waiting for the pullback, I suggest. A close examination and the box is drawn around the consolidation. Second, the market pushes beyond either the support zone or the resistance zone to trigger a trade. This 4-hour chart on the USD CHF shows a standard breakout trade. The trade is triggered once the market moves beyond either the support zone or the resistance zone. In this example, the market breaks out on the upside. This signal the upside, signaling a buy trade. Okay, so we got the signal. This move beyond the zone is a trade signal. In fact, standard breakout traders often place buy stop orders above the resistance zone and sell stop orders below the support zone in anticipation of the breakout. There are, of course, varying degrees of differences among breakout strategies. However, the core principle that guides breakout strategies is this: once the market breaks out beyond a zone, a trade is triggered. However, the standard breakout strategy have a very common problem. Many breakout trades end up as losing trades because they are triggered by a fake out. What is a fake out, you ask? The fake out is the breakout trader's nemesis. This is the biggest problem with most breakout trading strategies. Many breakout signals offer excellent trading opportunities, but others are triggered by fake outs. A fake out is a move outside of the consolidation zone that appears to be a breakout, but instead of continuing in the one direction, a strong trend, okay, we're lagging again, so let's I need to fix that. Sheesh. Horrific. This is the biggest problem with most breakout trading strategies. Many breakout signals offer excellent trading opportunities, but others are triggered by fake outs. A fake out is a move outside of the consolidation zone that appears to be a breakout, but instead of continuing on in one direction, a strong trend, the market retraces back inside of the consolidation zone. The fake out always ends up with the market eventually falling back inside of the zone, defined by both the support and resistance levels. Back inside the box, USD CHF 4-hour chart in figure 5.7 is an example of a fake out. The strong move outside the box, C arrow, is assumed to be a breakout, but the market retraces and eventually falls back inside the box. Okay. This fake out is marked with the arrow on the USD CHF 4-hour chart. The market trades higher than the top of the box, but later quickly falls back inside the box. For most standard breakout systems, this would be a losing trade. Alright, we on page 98. Okay, let me go check something real quick. All right, so it definitely rejected this zone. Let's check out GJ real quick. So go reject the zone, and GJ is going up. All right, GJ has pushed up towards our zone. But we're gonna see how it actually reacts to our zone. Ooh. What a blissful day. I'm talking about you hear everything. Sheesh. All right. So that is working well. That looks good. DJ, you pushing up. Do I feel comfortable enough with actually taking this though? I really don't. So I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm definitely gonna leave that alone. Alright, so GJ got a nice little push up, and gold is rejecting the rejection. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, so when I get on my break later on, I'm gonna finish reading the 5th chapter, so the fake out version. That's page 98. And continue reading from there. Yeah, loving it. Enjoy looking at it. Graphs, you gotta love them. So 40 pips, is it worth it? Everything is worth it, but is this worth it though? Cause like we are technically, what am I looking at? I'm looking at GJ actually. So let's get right. This slow ass internet. Wait, was I looking at that? Yeah, I am looking at that. So you know what I'm saying? You always want to have your graphs nice and long. And I just want to point out the fact that GJ is moving at a nice little uptrend right here. So, yeah. No sudden movements until everything that deserves to happen happens. I'm talking about, it's a good ass mic too, man. Sheesh. Nice little beautiful mic. If I make music, you gonna hear every movement in this seat. Excuse me. I actually want to play solitary. I haven't played solitary in quite some time. Yeah. And it's so funny because I'm actually playing. Do I really want to play? Like, just think about this. This is the open. Right now we are in the first 15 minutes of the open of New York, and I'm finna sit here and play solitaire like ain't nothing going on. Yeah. All right. Assume like every time I lag or so, it's going to mess up. So we just gonna keep it simple. My computer ain't strong enough. I'm gonna leave that alone. Yeah, we gonna get right one day. One day I'm gonna have me a strong enough computer where I can do all that. But for right now, nah. Yep. Right now it's a no-go. All right, we breaking down. Gold. Let's see if we can get a closure on gold. Everybody know what we are looking for. If you don't, go back to the beginning of the stream and learn. You know, it'd be like that though. So we're looking for a closure below this current 4 hour. Well, I mean below this zone. Don't go without us gold. Don't do us like this. Let us get some money with you, man. Sheesh. Keep in mind, news did just happen. This is a news candle. Not much is gonna happen on this news. But this is a news candle. I'm gonna go ahead and set up my magic keys because I want this to happen. You know, we gonna see how it works. All right. Cal is open. Right there, and we aiming for this down here. Hey, I doubt I'm gonna get in on this gold trade because, you know, it's going. Can't be mad about it. Definitely can't be mad about it. would have been a good sale. Let's check on GJ. So I'm actually gonna take the cap. Yeah. Alright. It's just crazy how much audio this actually picks up. DJ went to our zone. That'd have been a quick little. Oh man, that's crazy because it actually closed above too. That'd been a quick little 30. Look, quick one. Probably the fastest you ever seen GJ move. Thank God for patience, because patience works. Now, I just want to say that this is trading a range in a range. So if we see this close above this, we probably could see possibilities of going up, but I really doubt it's gonna close above this. I definitely see like it coming down, creating a little wick and coming down. I definitely see that. So Emmanuel actually I hope he actually did pretty good on his trade, because dude show was saying EJ looking like a sale. And then what happened? What happened? So it's 7:22. I'll be back. All right. All right. Yeah, everything's still going by good. Let's look at gold. Haha. See, this is why you wait. When you wait, good things happen. So we definitely did push down, but gold did not withstand the pressure. And we're creating a wick up right now. So we're gonna see if we gonna close bullish. If we close bullish, we're gonna try to get in on a buy. But if we don't close bullish, we'll be alright. We definitely will be alright. It definitely is rejecting that 15-minute imbalance we got set there. Definitely rejecting that 15-minute imbalance. So patience is the key. I bet you a lot of people got in on that sale and was like, hey, I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna get the money, I'm gonna get it. Yeah, the money got them. The money got them. The money got them. So sad how the money got them. Alright. So funny because on the 30-minute GJ is rejecting also as well. So that was a good quick little move to get 30 piece, but as soon as that 30 piece happened, we're rejecting. That's why it's good to wait. When you wait, good things happen. I knew there was a little 30 piece. The little 30 piece was gonna be easy to get though. What's up with a Vaz? I don't even know if is it straight? Trying to download. Meta right now. Alright, look. Hold on. I'm finna put you on. Go to the link in my description. When you go to the link in my description, it say what I use. Dang, I'm trying to go to it right now. Go to the broker, Hanko trade. when you sign up for that broker, you will be able to sign up using a 1 to 200. Like I said, this is a unregulated broker. I told you this last night. Unregulated broker, which means that it's overseas. So if they close down, your money gone. I'm gonna tell you that right now. But they have a very tight spread. You know, very tight spread, and there's so much profit to be made. So while you trading, you getting profits, you taking them profits out. 730 bringing that volume in. Let's see where this go. And I also told you about babypips.com. You probably know a lot about Forex. Matter of fact, I'm actually about to send you these books right quick, because these books changed my mindset and made me who I am now, for real. It's actually 4 books in there. 3, well, 2 revolves about trading. 1 revolves about the mindset behind going 10 times, and the last one revolves about deja vu. Whew. But not only deja vu, but the process behind seeing something twice. That's not the only thing it talks about, but that's the clock 8:15 round that time. The big moves usually happen around 9:10 EST, so that's probably like 8:30 around that time. That's about this time for real. Central Standard Time, about 8:30. So gold is pushing down. The reason why I'm not taking gold is because of how long this wick is. This is a 30 pip wick, 40 pip candle, 50 pip candle, and in a 26 pip wick, so just roughly at the 30 mark. And I'm not trying to get in and then my take profit is like sitting right there, so I'll be getting in and then getting out. Yeah, I'll be wasting my time trying to get that. We won't guarantee money. Now if it closed below structure, tap that 4 hour and close below the 4 hour without having this long ass wick, I'd have been like, oh cool, yeah, I can get into this. GJ ain't doing nothing neither. GJ consolidating right now too. Yeah, man. Man, my little 5 peak loss, man, last night. Ooh, weird. Getting to me. Gold pushing down. We're gonna be nosy on gold. Could have got in gold, but I ain't feel comfortable with taking those sales, even though it was I was planning on it, you know, because of that 28 pip wick. I don't like seeing that, man. That's red flag behavior right there. Real red flag behavior. But I'm definitely gonna be nosy. Moment for learning curve right here. I usually put a box on the outside of certain zones, and then when it closes outside my zone, I'm usually looking for a sell. But this candle was 26 pips. I get in at the bottom of the candle, hoping for a continuation. But it didn't work out how I needed it to work out, because that's too much. That's too much. And I'm only trying to risk like 30 pips, 1 to 2%. I be winning, not getting in this trade. I'm winning with my knowledge already. And then plus, you probably don't know what an imbalance is, but an imbalance is a gap in the market, and this is the 50% level of the imbalance. So 50% of that, which means it's a high chance of either a stop or a break. You never know what could happen during the imbalance. It could stop and reverse. And reverse. Find support here. And then go back down. So what I'm looking at is it could hit this and then just go straight down. Or it can hit this, come up, find resistance, and then plummet. And then plummet. Now this move could happen about 10. It can happen tonight during Asian session. It can happen about 12. It can happen at 9:30 open. Well, 8:30 open. 8:30 be the open. You know. Definitely would have been a good sell. It's coming up on our take profit right now. Rolling them, rolling. Hey, you can't see my broker right now, but I got my broker up. If you still in this junk, I got my broker up too. Oh, look at GJ. Sheesh, buddy, sheesh. Strong rejection move. Strong rejection. See, this is why you don't take impulse buys, man. Impulse movements. I mean, it's cool sometimes, but like, if you constantly taking impulse, you're gonna be like losing your money. We in a game of winning. I want to win. I ain't trying to lose nothing. So technically, this is a double top on GJ forming. This is that last kiss candle before a strong momentum move to the bottom side. This came into this area, kissed it, and then now it's gonna slide back down. I actually want to see this on a 30 minutes, see what we talking about. Minute is doing what it need to do. Let's see what that hour looking like. So the hour is showing a lot of rejection. Okay. Right now we at that 50% moment in our consolidation phase, and we gonna come slide through here, come down. Now let's look at that 4 hour, because now our bias is not to the top side anymore. Our bias is sales. So I'm actually gonna move this to come slide down here for our bias. This is the 4 hour mark. Hour candle. So when I'm looking at it on the 15, I know what's going on. Smell money. Smell like money. See, gold is playing around at 50% imbalance. I would have went on ahead and took partials already. Disregarded the 50% imbalance and put my stops at break even. If I took this sale, but I didn't take this sale, so I've gained so much from this. I've gained so much knowledge, and that's what matters. How much you know, and how much money you can keep. That's what people really care about. They said the average person that has the investor mindset reads over 60 books. Over 60 books a year. I ain't even finished what I was saying. Sheesh. So pulling up on the 745 moment, and we're getting right. Came back to this consolidation on GJ. I actually like on GJ that this candle did what it did, because it's letting us know that there are a lot of sellers here in this area, and I should have been one of those sellers. I should have been. So if it comes back at the 16010, me seeing this is letting me know, hey, a lot of sellers. Come back up here and we gonna sell off. We gonna get that money. Wish I knew. Yeah. Alright, so 3 sounds fine. You finna go over there? I'm gonna come out over there and see y'all before I leave. Good morning, Audie. Good morning. Alright, we coming together. We coming together. Everything's getting better. We got 2 viewers today. That's 2 more than yesterday. Getting the tweaks out. Understanding everything that's going on. I understand that my computer is lagging a little bit. So that's just letting us know what to do when the audio messes up, because the video is not gonna mess up. Video's not gonna mess up. And I'm gonna record some reactions later on just to upload and get some more viewers tuned into this channel, because trading, to be honest with you, I'm finna try to push like everything on this. This gonna be the money maker for real. Everybody trading regular stuff, and the title's gonna, you know what I'm saying, very organized channel. I hope to be very, very organized, as organized as I can be. Appreciate you for liking up the stream. It goes a long way, helps more people come and understand. We got 318 subs. 318 people sub. Long way from where we started. Long way from where we started. We getting right. We getting right. Getting better. Getting right. Getting better. Getting right. You know what I'm saying? Gold still pushing down. Gold pushing down past that IMB field right now. Gold is showing us that it is worthy and is here to stay in the game today until gold plays around and give us a nice wick rejection and stop us out. I don't like this candle because there ain't no wick on this candle. You know what I'm saying? On this current candle, current 15-minute candle. Oh, Vest, I don't know if you still here, but this right here is trading view. What I got you on, this trading view. This is what I do my little setup and stuff on. You see the stuff that just popped up. This is my setup, and then I got a broker that I do like a little minor setup on too. You know what I'm saying? You definitely can piggyback off what you see here. You know, I ain't no hating type of person. Yep, we getting right on them. Love to see it, gotta see it. Peace, prosperity, clear mindset, push forward through everything. All right, I believe it's gonna hit this zone right here because we pushed past this, creating low lows on each 15-minute candle. That's a good sign for continuation. And yeah, just looking to get right. So gold is already happening. I'm definitely looking for a GJ setup. Well, not set up, but GJ look like it's still consolidating though. Consolidation. Congratulations, consolidation. Oh, look like it was. That was a trade to take. Man, why they have to give us this long wig though? If they didn't give us this long wick, I'd have got in this trade. Cause ooh, it's pushing. It is pushing. Gold is giving us a little bit of that wetness behavior. Yeah, and it did exactly what I said it was gonna do. So what? Easy money. Easy money. If you took this trade, congratulations, you got your money. You know what I'm saying? Now keep in mind it is more to come right here. So that ain't probably gonna be the only stopping point. It's not. You know what I'm saying? You can come down here, or it just might stop. Make sure you got your you break even right now and letting that runner go. Took your profits right there. You took some partials right there. Let that runner go. Let it do what it do. Wish I could have got in it. Yep. This is usually the time that Liens switch over to US 30. I don't trade US 30, so I'm not even gonna lie to you. US 30 and Nas kick me in the butt to the point where I know that I have to wait until I get a certain kind of capital. I ain't the richest nigga, but you know what I'm saying. I'm trying to get them figures. Yep. Ha 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 ha. I'm such a lame. I say uncle jokes. I don't say dad jokes. I say uncle jokes. Yep. Get my morning texts in from my family members. letting them know I love them. Good morning. No, it's a alright, I got you. Hold on. No, man, I got a camera and a ring light set up right here, and up here what I'm looking at is a TV. It's supposed to be a monitor, but I ain't even gonna capture you. I'm from the hood, bro. I snatched somebody's TV up and put it right up here, and then down here I got my computer screen. So down here I'm looking at the trading view and my broker, and up there I'm looking at the OBS, which is my audio, so I can see if the audio is actually being offset. And then I'm also reading comments and stuff up here too. So we really multitasking right now. I'm trying to send these books, but it act like you don't want to send. So I'm gonna send them to you whenever I can. Hey, this gold trade is hitting right now, man. Gold trade getting there. Now, just let you know, this is my ultimate take profit right here. my ultimate take profit. This is where I was gonna cut this trade off and be like, okay, cool, it's all good. It did me wrong right here with this 26 pip wick though. I'm talking about that's missed opportunity of like 70 some pips. From the 4 hour to this alone is 74 pips. 73 pips. So right here is 145, 147. It's all good. I ain't tripping though. Yeah. Welcome to the flight attendant territory when they want to show off that they can fly and shit out upstairs. So you gonna hear a lot of that. I be hating hearing that stuff, man. Like a freaking thunderstorm, but it's a jet. They be BSing for real, man. Hey, bro, we want nice sound quality, bro. Chill out, man. Go mess with somebody else, man. Go to Mobile or something, bro. Chill out. Doing too much, man. Messing us up, man. Yeah. I'm gonna send it to you later on, man. When I get home. Well, not when I get home, just later on, man. I ain't gonna forget about you either, cause you know I mess with you, boy. Hey, nah, what I need to do though, like what I really need to get is a Wi-Fi extender, bro. So I can extend the Wi-Fi, and then I don't know if you can extend the Wi-Fi to another extender, and then I'ma just Ethernet that motherfucker. I'ma plug it up right here and I'ma Ethernet it. Oh, this my studio mic too, man. I told you it's only one chair in this mug. I be in this thing like, yeah, get some money, get a whole bunch of money. That's all I need to know. That's all that my mind focused on. Hey, man, what time you going to Atlanta? That boy about to be a daddy, man. Congratulations, fool. Good congratulations. Being a father is such a blessing, man. It's gonna get you up and going. It's gonna make you change your mental, your state of mind, and everything. It's gonna make you want to go get some. I know you got you a little normal job right now, but that normal job ain't hitting on nothing. It's gonna make you want to go, you know what I'm saying, mess around, end up selling drugs. That's what I end up doing, but I quickly put that down because it wasn't for me, man. I mean, I ain't gonna say it wasn't for me. I felt like I lost time. You know what I'm saying? Like selling drugs. I'm constantly looking over my shoulder, trying to see if a nigga trying to rob me, take what I done built. They trying to take the drugs, things like that. You know what I'm saying? As a civilian, as a regular civilian, you ain't gotta worry about nothing like that, man. As a regular civilian, bro, they look at you and they be like, cool. Yeah, cool. Oh, he ain't got it. Yeah, I'm trying to get it from somebody with a chain or something. You know what I'm saying? They be having one chain on, they be like, alright, cool. You know what I'm saying? They got multiple chains on. I'm trying to take all the chains. That nigga right there, he got some motion. We finna go finesse him. See, I ain't never been a flashy type either, bro. I'm the type person that just, you know what I'm saying, I ain't never wanted no chain. I just want some earrings, you know what I'm saying, some nice little 5K little earrings up in my ear, and call it. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to get no pinky rings, nothing like that. I don't even, you know what I'm saying, I get a wedding ring. That's probably what I get, me a little wedding band, and that'll be it. I ain't trying to no watch or nothing, man. I ain't trying to have no bust down. I got me an Apple Watch, man. It's good for my health, man. keep me right, make sure my blood sugar levels in the right stage, you know. If I am to get a little chain, you know what I'm saying, a little rope with a nice little pendant on it, I mean, all gold, 14 karat or however much carat I need, you know what I'm saying, probably like 5 millimeters wide, something simple, something slight, you know what I'm saying, like, oh, you got money but you ain't got no money for real, something like when the outsider look and they be like, oh, you ain't got no money, cool, I'm gonna leave you alone, but in reality I got more money than what you think. So gold took off like a rocket on us. We weren't able to get in gold, but it's okay, man. Our bias was right. That's all that matters. We're learning right now. We are definitely learning right now. Yep, I'm about to go on here and get up off this joint. You know what I'm saying? I don't really be trying to stay until 9, 10 o'clock. I just be getting right. Move probably gonna happen about 8:30. A good move gonna happen probably about 8:30. You know what I'm saying? My time was over. My move was gold. You know what I'm saying? It's always good to be nice and simple, nice and relaxed, nice and understandable. Know what you're looking for. You gotta know what you're looking for, because if you don't know what you're looking for, you ain't gonna be able to look for it. So that's why I come on early and I look at what the possibilities are. So we got on by 5:30, so it was up here by the end. You know what I'm saying? We made a little pullback. Cool. Came back. Came down, broke out our zone, but our entry candle wasn't what I like to see. It's okay though. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. You know what I'm saying? We always got tomorrow. We always got later on. We always got the next day. People trade all day. I don't see how they do it, but they trade all day. This is only a part of it. You know what I'm saying? You got the rest of your life. This is only a part of your life. Make this a part of your life. You know what I'm saying? They be like, oh, looking at graphs and doing stocks and doing Forex, that's too risky. No, it's a calculated risk. Calculated risk for profits. If you only risking 1% and then you get a trade that's 13% profit, now you up 13%, you can have 13 consecutive losing trades. I doubt that that's gonna happen, because if you following your trading plan, you know what I'm saying, that's gonna happen. I mean, if you follow your trading plan is not leading you into the wrong direction. See, my trading plan just told me, hey, don't enter this trade. I could have entered this trade and it could have just went the total opposite way, because I didn't get what I wanted about the market. I didn't get well, I got 26 pips wick, but instead I was looking for probably like a 5 pip wick, you know what I'm saying? And I got in at the or I got the a 50 pip candle, but in reality what I needed was probably like a lit 30 pip candle would have been nice, you know what I'm saying? 20 some pip candle would have been nice. That'd have been good, you know what I'm saying? So it's all about your trading plan. You know what I'm saying? Only the successful people in life have a plan, and you have to follow your plan. So if I'm saying I'm gonna get up at 4:30 every morning and exercise, I'm gonna get up at 4:30 every morning and I'm gonna exercise, and then by 5:30, well, by 5 o'clock, I'm taking my shower after my exercise. By 5:30, I'm on a trade. I mean, you know what I'm saying? It's a schedule, and to be consistent, you gotta have a schedule. You gotta have a plan. And then I don't want this job, but hey, it's supplying me money right now. It's getting me right now. It's cool. You know what I'm saying? And then after the job, when I'm back to my grind, back to what really matters, my future. And I'm working towards my future. I'm not getting on here, you know what I'm saying, on no BS, doing nothing that's wicked. Like, I'm making videos every day, or at least I try to make videos every day. I try to make videos at least. I try to push out at least 3 videos a week. You know what I'm saying? Not just my YouTube, on my Instagram, on TikTok. You know what I'm saying? I post them on Twitter too sometimes. I be forgetting about Twitter sometimes, man. Twitter I ain't really into the Bird app like that, but you know, it's still there. So that counts. Facebook, I'm posting on there too. You know what I'm saying? With that being said, cool. Gotta get right. So this hour closed bullish, and currently we are pushing past the hour candle on GJ, heading towards the downside, heading towards it. It's all good. It is fantastic. Such a blessing to be able to be here and witnessing this right now. You know what I'm saying? It's such a blessing. It's all a mindset thing, man. Everything is a mindset thing. You know, if I got in up here, I'd be straight. I'd have got in right here, but that ain't my that's 83 pips. Sheesh. I'm talking about, that's a little right there, you know what I'm saying? That's a little getting right on him. Well, alright, I'm about to go ahead and end this off. Appreciate you guys for tuning in. I do this every morning. Well, I'm trying to do this every morning. When I be more consistent, it's when you're gonna see me a lot more. And when I be, I'm trying to obtain a level of success that I deserve and that you deserve as well. And we gotta get up there. So I'm going ahead and end this stream. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Y'all be smooth.